Hello everyone, welcome to this course of React development. I'm really happy to announce this course to you. So in this course we'll be covering React from the very basic. So what can you expect from this course? So this course is designed for beginners who are willing to learn React. The course will be uploaded in a series of videos in a playlist. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss an update. Let's start with the topic. What is React? React is a front-end JavaScript library which is used to create single-page applications. Now, what is single-page application? Single-page application means the entire structure of the website loads at once when you first open the web page. Then, when you navigate to other pages, only the data changes, but the page that you see are present in the cache memory of the browser. So the advantage of single page application is that only the first time when you open an application in your web browser it takes time, but after that everything works very smooth. React is built and maintained by Facebook, which gives us a sense of trust. And the last point that I wanted to cover here is that it is component based. So component-based structure allows us to create components that can be reused anywhere in the React application. So, what are the prerequisites of this course? So, before starting this, you should have a basic knowledge about HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and a little bit of JavaScript. If you don't know JavaScript, it's okay, we'll cover that in the course. But you should at least know basic HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. So let's start with the configuration and installation of the necessary software. To start with React, we will need to install Node.js. So we are here at the Node.js website. I'll provide this link in the description. Now just click on Windows Installer and it will start to download. Now I'll just click on it. Now I'll click on Next. I'll click on I accept. And then again next, and then next, and next, next, and install. So now the installation has started. I'll just click on yes again. Okay, so now the Node.js has been installed, so I'll just click on finish. Now I'll just minimize this. Now we'll have to install React. So for that I'll just go to start and then type in cmd and hit enter on the command prompt. So I have the command prompt here. So to install React, we'll have to type in a command that is npm install -g create react app @latest. Now this will take some time, so I'll be back when it is done. So now create react app is installed. Now I'll just minimize this and I'll just create a new folder here. I'll type in React projects and then open it. Now I'll just go to this address bar and copy the address and go back to my terminal. And then I'll just type in cd and then paste in the location. Now I am on the React projects folder. Now I'll type in npx create react app and then the project name, that will be demo. Now it will take some time, so I'll be back in a moment. Here you might also see some warnings. You don't need to worry about that. So let this happen and I'll see you in a while. Okay, so finally the installation has been complete. Honestly, it took around an hour to complete, so might take the same time for you guys, so just hold on. So now we have installed Node.js, we have installed create react app, we have also initialized our first React project. So how do we start the React project? Now just close this terminal. So here you can see the demo folder. this is what we created using the Create React app. So now I'll just open this, and then here you can see some files. Now right click here and just click on Open with Code or any other text editor that you like, and click on Yes, I trust this author. And then once your Visual Studio Code is open, just go to Terminal and then click on New Terminal. Now to start the project, we'll just have to type in npm start. Now what this command npm start does is it will create a React server similar to the Go Live that you have used during your web development, but React has its own server, so it will start the server when we type npm start. Now it has started the server. Now if you see in the Google Chrome, here you can see on localhost 3000 the React app is started. So here you can see the page that is provided by React as default. Now from the next video we'll start editing this page and start with our React journey. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.